certain issues because we really don't know the situation.
Namar ka jingnang jur ka kam umsnam bat ka jingkala ka sinchar khadar hari Bangladesh ka Sorkar Meghalaya ka Pynjari de ka curfew miet ne ka siningkong haslinter ka khappud Bangladesh kani ka curfew miet kan trekam na du menta ka miet por 100 baje hadu ka por 100 baje men step hakijaka bahab hapo ka arspa miet radius
all along the international border.
Kini garai kalami hadin ka jingalang balapinya daw simbot menteri rangba ka jela ba Preston Tinsong ubakmi eka kampo yeng lembaru he sipai border security force ka director general of police ka jela u chief secretary bat kiwe ki he officer ka tanat kampo yeng
Only up to 200 meters inside the Indian territory from the 0 point or from the pillar.
Kani ka curfew mit kan trekam tat hadu da jai ka jinglong jingman ha Bangladesh ya kani ka sinjam la shim kum kalinti ban te la kam ya ka jingwan room tu chong kinong Bangladesh but ban pintik na ya ka jing sngan ban jing ya da ya kinong song stong ki basa ha ki jaga khappud
From 6 p.m. up to 6 a.m. in the morning every day till the situation is improved, then the government again will take further decision on this imposition of the curfew. So that is the decision we taken today, and the curfew will start, as I said to you, immediately from tonight. So I would like to request all the citizens of the state staying in those areas to kindly bear with the government for imposition of this curfew because as I said to you, we don't know yet the situation in Bangladesh. So I would like to request all the citizens of the state, especially for our citizens who stays in the border area between Bangladesh, to kindly cooperate and also to be ready in case if there is any information they receive. The state government as well as the IG or the BSF personnel are always there 24/7.